How to choose the right product for micro switch.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Casey again. Do you know how to choose the right micro switch? Precision micro switches usually have three specifications: basic, operation handle, and shell. 5 key features need to be considered when purchasing a micro switch. 1. Dimensions. Because the switch size is directly related to its characteristics, including current range, stroke, and operation force. 2. Electrical requirements such as voltage and current. 3. Reliability. Mechanical, electrical life. 4. Environmental factors. Understand the environmental conditions of the application, including pollutants that may enter the switch in the air, the liquid in which the switch is located, and the working temperature requirements, etc. Okay, do you know how to choose the right micro switch now? Great! Okay, all for today. See you next time. Bye!